Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese in easy and funny way. I'm Abdurrahman and I am sharing 3 videos every day. So if you want to support me and motivate me, you can subscribe and you can inform your friends who are interested in learning English and Chinese. And in addition to this, I learned something important and I can make a test in a card section in the left part, right, in the left part and upper left part. So you can see that, and in every video I will ask 5 Chinese character and their meaning. You choose the correct one. It's important, and in this way I will learn how you deeply listen to video and so what did you learn. Okay, you can test yourself. It's important. Please pay attention to do that. Okay, today we will repeat the Chinese words, and we have 3 paints, and totally we have 16 words. And as I said, the memorizing words is forbidden, so we will make a sentence with these words. So you will study these words with that sentence. Well, let's start the lesson. Okay, first word is gongzuo. Gongzuo, it means work, and it's noun, also verb, both of them. Gongzuo. And another word is mang. Mang, it means busy. How can we use these 2 words in one sentence? Actually, I think you all know that. 你工作忙吗? What does it mean? Are you busy with your work? Okay, I'm gonna write that. 你工作你工作忙吗?你工作忙吗? Are you busy with your work? So you learn these 2 words with this sentence. And we'll paste another paint. N. Do you remember how can we use n? If you want to ask same question, for example, we have a basic simple dialogue. I am asking you 你好, you say 你好. I am asking 你好吗? And you say 很好. If you want to say 你好吗 again, you don't have to say that. You can say 你呢? 你呢? It means and you, and what about you? So to learn ne, we can say 你呢? Third one. Ne doesn't have tone. 你呢? And you, what about you? Here we have 不 make sentence negative. 不太累. We can use 3 of them. You think about elder, how can we use? And I said in the previous videos to make, if you want to use very, the meaning of very, and make sentence negative, you should use tai. If you want to make positive sentence with very, you should use hun. Hun. It's for now like this. So we can say 不太累. For example, I am not very tired. How can I say that? 我不太累. I will write here 我不太活动 and late. So photo. What is bu? Its original tone is photo, but after bu there is a photon character. This bu reading like second tone. Bu taile, bu taile. Okay, let's read sentence. 我不太累，不太累，不太累，我不太累。I'm not very tired. Okay, let's study other words. Here we have Gugu, it's elder brother, Jie, elder sister, Didi, younger brother, and we have Mei Mei, Mei Mei, younger sister. We can make sentences using two of them. For example, 你哥哥姐姐好吗? Your elder brother and elder sister is good, is okay. 你哥哥姐姐姐姐好吗? 好吗? How is your elder sister and elder brother? The meaning of this sentence. 你哥哥姐姐好吗? How is your elder brother and elder sister? So we have here Didi and Mei Mei. Didi and Mei Mei. How can we make sentence with this? For example, 我弟弟妹妹很好. "我弟弟弟弟妹妹很好很好妹妹很好很好我弟弟妹妹很好. My younger brother and younger sister are very good. Okay, we use these words in sentence, and here we have dates. We will make dates. And 月 it means moon and month. Here we use month. Okay, later we can use moon, because in this unit we just use a month meaning. And 明天 means tomorrow. 今年 means this year. 零 means 0, and there's two characters. So I will use this one, and I suggest you to learn this character, because in the next video you will use these parts separately. And here 年 means year, and 明年 means next year. Okay, what can we do? Here 元 and 明天. We can say 明天 10 December, or 10 of December, or December 10th. Okay, I will write that. Ming Tian December 12月fourth and second tone 12月10号is fourth tone. Tomorrow is December 10th. 12月 December 10号 10th. And here 今年 we have this year, and we can use ling 0 and nian. We can say year with these three words. Okay, let's do that. This year comes 2005 or 04, and I will write here 今年 is second tone. 今年 R and ling and let me okay ling ling 4年 今年 2 fourth 2004年. This year is 2004. And here we have 明年 means next year. So this year is 2004, so next year will become 2005. So 明年 2005年. Okay, I will write here. Ling are ling 5年 5年 明年 are 2005年. Next year is 2005. Okay, guys, and did we talk about the similarity between characters? And for example, here, if you know the yue, this one is r. R. In previous, in the second unit 2, in chapter 2, we learned r with how is same meaning. How is same meaning. So if you know both of them, Ming is not a new character. So this bottom part is similar gene. If you add this one, the bottom part, you can get it. So just the upper part is new for you. Nian also new, and I will ask these words in the test or in the cards. So please do that and test yourself. See you next video, guys. I love you. Keep studying hard. We will learn Chinese together. Okay, see you next video.